The two boomers has been in using this device since February 2021, the HUAWEI 5G Wi-Fi. The pocket size, take anywhere, Wi-Fi hotspot, the HUAWEI E6878 5G Wi-Fi router portable broadband. It came with a charger cable, charger and manufacturer warranty, which you can see in this unboxing video. It is a portable hotspot to connect up to 20 devices, and with it, SBalong 5000 chipset, and on 5G networks, it provides fast download speeds reaching up to 2.3 gigabits. The battery lasts around 14 hours, and can also be used as an external battery for charging another device. It feels high quality, look good, easy to use, and it has not let us down in 18 months. Most of the time, we have it plugged into the mains power via an USB cable, with multiple devices connected to it, and other times we take it with us in a backpack, connected to a power bank, to provide internet access to our phones, drones and automobiles.